I had the opportunity last week to go to Utah to spend some time with my family for a few days, and honestly, it was so much fun. I had so much fun. It was a nice, chill little week, nice, chill little vacation, and it was fun to kind of do all the things with my family that it's been a while since I've done. And of course, I vlogged some of it so you guys can see. They'll have some vlogs as well, but from my perspective, here's some of the things that I did with them. This is going to be the first video for the day, the first day that I was there. So yeah, enjoy. Sun and the sun going over the moon time. Oh, it's cold. Can you see it?
Ruin the camera if I...
Is it a lunar or a solar eclipse?
Oh, look.
It'll ruin your eyeballs though. Where is that the
There
sun?
it is.
Oh, look.
Where's the sun? There it is.
That's a solar eclipse, isn't it?
You guys see it? Can you see it in the
Yeah.
camera?
During the day.
I want to see. Can you see it in there?
Is a solar eclipse where you can see the sun at night?
Right there.
What's a lunar eclipse again?
Where the moon
See it?
gets covered.
Yeah.
A solar is when the sun gets
That's kind of crazy.
Here, we're gonna do it again here. Right.
That's crazy. This won't happen again for how long? Like 500 years?
No, I don't know about that, but
Didn't this happen last
okay,
year?
look. Here, you guys can all look. Look through here. You can look right at it.
I'm gonna look at it. I want to look at it.
It looks like it's nighttime.
Guys, be patient.
It's cold.
That's so cool. I have glasses in my room. I have one pair. I can go grab them.
We're gonna.
It's cold too. I didn't. Oh, it's gonna get cold.
I know it is cold.
I know.
Look, come over here. Look, bring the camera over here, Sarah.
Why is that?
Because that's how it comes out.
Huh. It's a crescent sun, guys.
Look, if you go over
It's a
here.
crescent sun.
A crescent sun, yeah, it is.
That's new. That's why it's cold out here, Allie. It's because the sun is getting covered.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
the sun rays coming down.
Where's the?
Oh, careful.
Let's see that, Hugo.
See it?
It looks. It's a crescent sun. Up there.
It's up higher. This is the big eclipse that everyone was talking about on TikTok. They're like, the aliens are gonna invade us, and there's gonna be a portal that it opens up, and if you look at it, you're gonna be blind forever. And I didn't watch the last eclipse because of I was asleep.
What?
I was asleep, so this one's cool. I keep trying to look up at it, but that's not a good idea.
Go holes, but then you pull it away.
And
That's
it's
so
a crescent
cool.
from
Isn't that cool?
That's really cool.
I didn't know this would happen.
I didn't know this would happen. The eclipse or the crescent moon?
The eclipse.
Look, the crescent stays on that one side too. I turn it and it stays. So it's staying on one side.
Wait, but it's at the bottom of the sun when you look at
I
here.
know. Isn't that weird?
That's so cool.
The most difficult part about finding shoes is you have to put them on both feet because I have two different size feet.
No, it's only wider if it has a W hook to it. Oh, I just got these dirty.
See?
Look what I just did.
I know, these ones are all dirty. Well, eight fits this foot, 8 fits. Are you okay? I think I just got that on camera.
Don't mind me.
Bunk.
all the time.
My brain lags out sometimes, she says.
Or my train of thought loses me, but that was not. That's not.
Train of thought loses me.
It's like,
Wow.
oh, we're losing you.
Oh no!
Friends be like the rest of
Oh no.
My train of thought actually is Thomas the Train. I don't know why. Just kidding.
Ava. Say hello. Hi. This one is Nebula's sister. This is her like sister. Same dad, same mom. She's like,
One just left me.
you make me miss my baby. Yes. Oh, there we go. See her there? There you go. That's day 1. I got there on the day of the solar eclipse. I believe the solar eclipse. That was really cool to see, and of course my dad had all the gear that we needed to see it. He had the welding mask, so that was really, really cool to see. I don't think I remember ever seeing a solar eclipse before, so that was probably one of my first times seeing a solar eclipse. Super, super cool experience. And then, of course, we got to spend some time with my sisters. We did like a sisters' night painting. That was a lot of fun. We went shopping to go get all the things, which was a lot of fun. Spent lots of time with my little sisters, my mom, and of course the boys and my dad. So lots of fun, kind of chill. But yeah, that's the first vlog for Utah. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe so you don't miss any more vlogs or any more videos. Like I said, there's 2 more vlogs about Utah coming up, so you don't want to miss those. Make sure you subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!